Would you like to earn money online? Then cpagrip is best and trusted platform to earn money online. You can see my today's revenue. I have made $123 from cpagrip network. You can also earn loads of money every single day from cpagrip network. cpagrip is best and trusted network. Here you can see this person has earned $800. This person has earned more than $29,000. This person has earned more than $6,000. This person has earned more than $1,000. You can also earn loads of money every single day using cpagrip network. Let me show you how you can earn money using cpagrip network. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can go on tubbytv.com platform and you can search your English movie. Here you can see there are a lot of movies available on this platform in English language. You can select any of this movie. For example, you can click here to play this movie. Now you can take a screenshot of this scene. You can go on Google and you can search your Google site. You can click here to open this URL. Now you can click here to open this blank template. You can click here to delete this header section. You can type your page name. Now I'm going to insert your movie image. Click on images button. You can click on select button. Now click on link button. You can paste your URL of movie image. You can go on this platform. You can copy URL of any of this movie image. For example, you can click here to play this movie. Now you can scroll down. Here is showing movie image. You can right click here. Now you can click on copy image address button. You can go on Google site and you can paste your URL of movie image. Now you can click on insert image button. You can go on this platform. Here is showing URL of this movie. You can copy this URL. Now you can go on Google site and you can click here. Now click on this link icon. You can paste your URL of this movie. Now you can click on apply button. Similarly, you can go on Tubby TV platform and you can play any of this movie. Now you can scroll down. Here is showing movie poster. You can right click here. Now click on copy image address button. You can go on Google site and you can click on images button. Click on select button. Click on link button, paste your URL. Now click on insert image button. You can drag this image here. You can go on Tubby TV platform. Here is showing URL of this movie. You can copy this URL. Now you can go on Google site. You can click here. You can click on this link icon. You can paste your URL of this movie. Click on apply button. Similarly, you can insert your more than 10 movies. Now you can go on cpagrip platform. Guys, this is the best and most popular CPA network. This platform is available worldwide. So no matter what country you are in, you can use this platform from anywhere in the world. You can receive your amount through PayPal. First of all, you will have to create an account on this platform. You can click on register button. Now you can scroll down. You can type here your first name. You can type here your last name. You can type here your address. You can type here your email address. You can type your password. And you will have to accept its terms and service. And at last, you can click on register now button. After creating account on cpagrip network, you can click on offer tools button. Now you can click on my offers button. You can search your United Kingdom country. Here you can see CPA offers. I'm going to promote all of this CPA offer. You can click here to open this CPA offer. Here you can see CPA link. Here you can see payout rates. It's $5.99. When people from United Kingdom click on this CPA link and they will purchase this subscription using Android device, then you will earn $5.99 per person. You can copy this URL. You can go on Google site. You can click here. Click on this link icon. Paste your CPA link. Click on apply button. You can go on cpagrip network. You can open another CPA offer. Here is showing CPA link. You can copy this CPA link. You can go on Google site. You can click here. Click on this link icon. Paste your CPA link. Click on apply button. Similarly, you can add all these CPA offer on your Google site. Now you can click on publish button. You can type your unique web address. You can click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. My Google site has published successfully. Now you can click on this link icon. Here is showing URL of this Google site. You can click here to copy this URL. Here is showing my website. When someone will click on this movie poster, then they will be redirected on Toby TV platform. That person can watch this full movie on this platform. When someone will click on this movie poster, then they will be redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that person will purchase subscription on this platform, then you will earn $5.99 per person. It's one of the best and easiest way to earn money from cpagrip network. You can also earn loads of money every single day from cpagrip network. You can share your Google site on Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, and all social media platforms to get visitors. You can go on Google and you can search your Rumble. You can click here to open this URL. Guys, this is just like YouTube platform. You can upload your short movie scene and then you can insert your Google site URL in your video description. As you can see, Rumble platform gets more than 91 million visitors monthly. This platform is available worldwide. Here you can see Rumble platform is getting more than 5 million visitors from United Kingdom. You can get lots of audience from United Kingdom. When people from United Kingdom click on this URL, then they will be redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that person will purchase this subscription using Android device, then you will earn $5.99 per person. It's an Amazon Prime CPA offer. You can also earn loads of money every single day from cpagrip network. If you want to learn more about make money online, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.